Sahih Al-Bukhari 3211, narrated Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, sallallaho alaihi wasallam said, on every Friday the angels take their stand at every gate of the mosque to write the name of the people chronologically, i.e. according to the time of their arrival for the Friday prayer, and when the Imam sits on the pulpit, they fold up their scroll and get ready to listen to the sermon. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha came to the mosque while Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anha was reciting a poem. Umar radiallahu ta'ala anha disapproved of that. On that, Hassan radiallahu ta'ala anha said, I used to recite poetry in this very mosque in the presence of one, i.e. the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam, who was better than you. Then he turned towards Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha and said to him, I ask you by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, i.e. Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala anha, with the Holy Spirit. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, yes. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3213, narrated Al-Bara radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hassan radiyallahu ta'ala anha, lampoon them, i.e. the pageants, and Gabriel alaihi salam is with you. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3214, narrated Jarir radiyallahu ta'ala anha, as below, narrated Humayd bin Hilal radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Anas bin Malik radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, as if I say a cloud of dust swirling up in the lane of Bani Ghanim, Musa alayhi salam added, that was caused by the procession of Gabriel alayhi salam. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3215, narrated Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha. Haris bin Hisham asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how does the divine inspiration come to you? He replied, in all these ways. The angel sometimes comes to me with a voice which resembles the sound of a ringing bell, and when this state abandons me, I remember what the angels has said, and this type of divine inspiration is the hardest on me, and sometimes the angel comes to me in the shape of a man and talks to me, and I understand and remember what he says. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.